Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, depending on whether or not you've been before. This is my big massive space face. Oh no, we just got hit by something. Are we getting shot? I'm being shot at. I don't know who did that. We're gonna find out. There's gonna be a murder mystery. Who tried to assassinate Olectralab? Come over here. This is a piston door that's not done. For the life of me, it's probably never going to be done actually. So last episode, or if you could call it an episode, or just a random video, really. We made these two rockets, but they require fuel in order to get into space. So we've got a refinery on the roof, but we need to get more oil before we can do that. So what I'm going to do is use my jet boots to just fly all the way. Actually, no, not jet boots. I've got this ring. This is a Swift Lord's Rendingale. And it was a gift from the server owner, one of the server owners, Avanon. And it allows me to fly around in survival mode, which is very useful. Now, I think somewhere over here, there should be... if I just press N real quick. No, that's wrong. I don't know how to use the waypoint system. I'm not used to this mod pack. I'm very new to the Tekkit mod world. But if I fly in this general direction, we should encounter oil up to the front left of us, I think. All right, I'm not actually sure now. But I was using the portal the other day, and I managed to portal right next to some oil by using the nether. And that was very useful. We just keep going forward. I'm hoping the oil's still going to be there and that I'm on the right trajectory. The server can't for the life of it load this in. I don't know why. It's probably just a low-end server. But it's still awesome, and it's a lot of fun. So thanks a lot to Avanon and the whole crew over in America who allow these videos to happen by making cool servers like this. For anyone who's got OCD, I'm sorry about this terrible chunk loading. I don't know what we can do to fix this. Let me know in the comments if you know how to fix this crazy lag. We just fly over. I think it's over this mountain here. I sure hope I remember the direction that we came from. Should be easy because the chunks should load in. I think there's waypoints as well. We're going to fly over here. Oh man, I've lost it. I think I've lost where the oil was. That's terrible. It was loading in faster the other day. For some reason, it's loading a lot slower now. I don't know if it's the server. Maybe there's too many people on the server hosting platform, or what's going on here. I think it was near the ocean. Was it near the ocean? I'm just following the mini-map now. I can follow the mini-map. I've got to remember to go straight in the same direction so that I can easily find my way back. I'm hoping we're going to just... even if we don't encounter the old oil, maybe we can get some new oil. Actually, no, this is putting too much stress on the server. I don't want to be responsible for crashing the server or doing anything bad to the server, so I'm going to head back. We might not be able to get the rocket into space this episode if we can't find oil. Oh no. We're lost. We're very lost. The chunks are not loading in. I'm just going to use the mini-map to find my way around because I can't... Oh, here we go. Here's the oil. Oh, here we go. We're saved. Fine riches. Oil. Oh, we're saved. There's oil. Oh, yes. So much oil. So much delicious, tasty oil. Give me some oil. Oh, I love oil. Oh no, we've lost some oil. I can't throw any of this away. It's too valuable. Oh, this is bad. Throw the stone away. Throw the tin canisters away. What can we get more of? Compressed iron, goodbye. Heavy aluminium wire, goodbye. I don't want to throw any of the other stuff away because it's not all mine. Oh, ow. Damage. Alright. We found the oil. Let's go home. Hopefully we make our mama proud. Like, by bringing back these riches, it's going to make us rich. Well, not rich, because there's no one on here to give us money, but it's rich in the terms that we will be able to hopefully go to space eventually. Gotta head back through these waypoints, these handy-dandy little diamonds in the sky, in case you're wondering what they are waypoints, and Avanon showed me when we were on here in a Discord call how to use them. I think you just press N and then you can make a waypoint. I don't really know how it works properly or how to bring up the menu, but I know they had to make a waypoint. You said press N and then you put the name in and you just do whatever. Well, we've come back with oil. So now we know where the oil is. We should be able to find it easier. If I just fly to the refinery, easy to tell where my base is because these giant solar panels. I'll come over here and I throw the oil in the refinery. We've got to put all the oil in the refinery. Take the bucket out, put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. Let's keep doing it over and over. We've got to try and get the refined oil all the way up. And we need the refined oil to make rocket fuel, I think. Or maybe we just chuck the refined oil straight in. I'm not sure. Okay, that's not enough oil. But while I'm here, I forgot to mention I made 2 NASA workbenches just in case I couldn't be bothered walking. More advanced silicon wafers. What do we need to put in here? Oh, that's right. We need to put redstone stuff in there. So in order to make the silicon wafer chips, the advanced ones require repeaters, but the small ones only take redstone torches. So if we just head over to the circuit fabricator here, we can just throw the redstone torches into the circuit fabricator. And as you can see, this little bar is loading. Gives us a perfect percentage of how much loading it has done. And this amazing machine, when it's hooked up to the power, these are advanced solar panels that track the sun that I've made. It gives us some basic wafers, and these can be used to make all sorts of crazy stuff. Guided rockets, automated rockets, droids, all sorts of... I don't really know what they are, but I'm just making up names at this point. But all sorts of cool stuff you can do with this. Down here at Red's compressor, I'm just going to come down to Red's compressor, and we're going to throw in some more steel. And the steel that we're not using, I'm just going to put it back in the chest for him. There we go. And we've already made 3 rockets so far. I crafted this one, but only with the help of Red. The other 2 are up in the launch tower over there. I'm going to go ahead and just dump all this stuff as gifts for Red when he gets on next. I sure hope he doesn't mind that I use some of his fins. We should be able to just clear some space here. We'll throw in some compressed aluminium. A lot of solar wafers in here for him. Come over here. Should be able to get this. And well, I'm just going to keep putting it in here. We don't need to do this all day. Let's put this in here. And what are we going to do? We're going to need to get more oil. That's right. Okay, so we put the canisters away. We don't need that. Don't put the flint away. Chests, I'm going to keep that on me. Compressed iron and bronze actually go over here and a secondary gift chest. Is this circuit fabricator currently running? Oh, the battery's flat. Alright. Come over here and charge it real quick. So this is what's called a circuit fabricator. And we're currently using lapis lazuli, raw silicon, and redstone and diamonds to manufacture silicon wafers, which is these, the blue solar wafers, which can be turned into solar panels, but it needs power. There's no solar panel down here at the moment, so it's running on the generator, and there's no coal in the generator, so I'll just put all of my, well, not all of it, but some of my analysis. No, it requires coal. Alright, I think I'm just going to gift one of my solar panels to Red, so that he can have this going, because I'll just come over here. I'll just swipe one of these solar panels. Red's about to get a Christmas present. Come over here. It should only need 2. Come down over here. And we're gonna speed up production over here. I'm gonna place this down here. Needs to be within 2 blocks of the thing here though. Needs to go in here. So I'm gonna just put it up here. I've got to go for dinner right now, so I'm going to end the video there. But thank you for watching, and have an excellent day. Can I run this out of here? I'm not sure. I think I can run this down to here. Can I? Oh, I can. Alright, and then we just enable it. We enable it. We'll take the battery out of the circuit fabricator and we'll put it in the solar panel. When it comes daytime again, it should automatically do. I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching. We've made a little bit of progress, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.